We all feel like we're on the edge, staring down Adobe's wrath. Let's navigate through the issues. If your trusty Creative Cloud has suddenly gone silent, the dreaded error message may appear, but don't despair. Connection problems. I come from your computer's firewall, ready to throw a wrench into your workflow. Firstly, locate your firewall settings on Windows, type Firewall in the search bar, and select Windows Defender Firewall on macOS. Head to System Preferences, then Security and Privacy, and choose Firewall. Check the settings that let programs bypass the firewall. Click Allow Another App, and browse your computer's files to add the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Make sure private and public networks are checked in the apps box for Mac. Enable Allow Incoming Connections if you see that option. If you are using security software, like McAfee or Bitdefender, check for the Adobe Creative Cloud app in the permissions list and allow it. Refer to the software's documentation for help. And be sure to save those permissions. Now, restart your Creative Cloud. With luck, everything should work perfectly. If any issues persist, give your computer a restart. However, if you're stuck, contact Adobe support. If this helps, subscribe #FirewallFix #Adobe Problems.